By the way, nasabtan lang ni siya. Did you get this one? Ay, masig ka na sa video. Makonsis sa minunta ninyo. Mura lang normal good. We have example 1.2-4. A steel pipe whose inner radius is 15 millimeters will be used to support a tensile load of 20 kilonewtons. Determine the outside radius of the rod if the allowable stress is limited to 60 megapascals. So this time students, or this time class, ang gipangita is radius. So unlike sa mga first example, nga ang ginapangita is the stress. This time, ang gipangita is radius. So we have here, let's say for example, this is the pipe. And now this pipe class is na siya force applied tensile. So when we say tensile load class, it is tension. Gibira siya. So load applied, pila gani at both ends. How much? Okay, we have 20 kilonewtons. And then, according sa yung cross-section class, the cross-section is, it is a hollow pipe. Dili siya solid nga pipe. And this is the unknown, the radius outer. And then, nasa gihatag nga inner radius, right? Pila ganing radius nga inner? We have 15 millimeters. Okay? So, this is an easy problem. Sa naman na siya nga problem class. It is because the force is given or the tensile load is given. The cross-section is given, although unknown ang radius. And then, how much is the stress? Limited, allowable. Okay, the stress given is 60 megapascal. Now, let me discuss this one class. When we say allowable or limited stress, dili siya pwede mo lapas kana nga stress niya kay once nga mo lapas siya class, probably moabot siya o greater value than 60, mobigay ang pipe cause breakage, rupture, or wa jud mobigay jud ang tong material. Okay, so with the formula, stress of the steel is equals to the force applied at the steel over area of the steel. Now, let's break down this formula class. At the stress side, why problema? Kay given. The same pod sa ato ang force applied. Now, dinita kang area, since you are dealing with radius, there are two equations of circle. The two formulas of area is area equals pi d squared over 4, right? And it is also equals to pi r squared. Now, this one ang atong gi-after, si radius. So, ato na siyang pulihan din ni class. Take note, it is a hollow section. So, pasabot na class, kung imo siyang drawing nun bitaw, mura na siya dako nga circle, gamay nga circle. Nga naa kay radius din nga unknown. At the same time, na kay known radius sa inner nimo nga 15 mm. So kung ang formula for this one class, area of this bigger circle is equals to pi r squared. The area of this smaller circle class is equals to pi, the radius is 15 squared. You will supply that formulas din sa area na to because you are dealing with a hollow pipe. Did you understand? So that means pi of the greater circle minus the smaller circle. And then supplying the values class into our equation, we have 60 megapascal is equals to 20 kilonewton. We will convert that into newtons para maka-aim ta og megapascal. And then the constant value phi times the unknown radius of the bigger circle squared minus the 15 diameter of the smaller circle squared. Kaya naman nino paksiyon na to sa calcu, di ba? So give you the value of radius class using the power of calculator. Shift solve. How much? 18.20 millimeter. So hoping class, if ever nga makasugat mo og problems mga quizzes na to or exams nga similar ani, ayaw mo kalipat pag halo ang section ha. Narabay ubang problema ni class nga ang question is kanyo thickness of the pipe unsa siya kabaga. Okay, na problems nga na I think na sample problem for that specific nga mga problems class nga ang ipa-solve sa problem is ang kabaga sa pipe nga maka-resist og dinana nga stress. Pag limited ang stress nato, unsa kabaga ang pipe nga gamiton nga kaya sa ato ang material. Okay, so hopefully dili mo malipat class ha. Be mindful and be watchful. Did you understand this? Sayon lang. Sayon raman easy. Challenge, di ba mga ka-civilian? Sayon ra no?